Hello, I'm a teacher of Pedagogical College of Foreign Languages. Today we are having practical phonetics lesson. The theme of our lesson is introducing letters and sounds. A, R, B, P, S, and Z. In writing, words are made of letters. In speech, words are made of sounds. Letters are not always the same as sounds. For example, the words key and car begin with the same sound, but the letters are different. We can see this clearly if we read the two words in phonemic symbols, key, car. In the examples below, word pairs have the same pronunciation but different spelling. Look at these words. Bike, bike, week, week, two, two, sun, sun, way, way, right, right. They have different spelling, but the same pronunciation. There are two kinds of sounds, consonant sounds and vowel sounds. For example, in duck, there are three sounds, consonant, vowel, consonant. As we see here, CVC. The number of sounds in a word is not usually the same as the number of letters. We can see this if we write the word using phonemic symbols. For example, duck is duck. Writers often play with the sounds in words. For example, if they're finding a name for a cartoon character, they might repeat the first sound, for example, Donald Duck, DD. Repeat the final sound or sounds. This is called rhyme. For example, Ronald McDonald. Listen to these examples of names and expressions with sound play. Notice that the writer is playing with the sound, not the spelling.
English Pronunciation in Use by Mark Hancock. Published by Cambridge University Press. This recording is copyright. CDA A1
Mickey Mouse, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, Dennis the Menace, Bugs Bunny, News and Views, Rock and Roll, Wine and Dine. While the cat's away, the mice will play.
Now, for example, in Dennis the Menace, the last three sounds of the words are the same, but the spelling is completely different. There are probably some sounds in English which do not exist in your language, and others which are similar but not exactly the same. This can make it difficult to hear and make the distinction between two similar words in English. Listen to these pairs. Are any of them difficult for you? Now listen and try to repeat.
A2
Boat, vote. Hit, heat. Sow, show. Sung, sun. Wine, vine. Wet, wait.
Okay, now this is exercise 1. You have to correct the incorrect words using words from the box. Now these words: sun, sun, midway, through, peers, sent, week, by, peace, road, to. Now in the story there are 12 incorrect words. The correct word is pronounced the same as the incorrect one, but the spelling is different. Correct them using words from the box. Now, for example, last week. Instead of week, we use the word week. They are pronounced the same, but they have different spelling. Next, second exercise. How many sounds are there in each word? How many sounds? Yes. Write the order of consonant sounds and vowel sounds. For example, in the word night, there are 3 sounds. I, t. 3 sounds. Consonant, vowel, consonant. First a consonant, then a vowel, and finally another consonant. Now please be careful, and you should write here consonant or vowel. The vowel sounds A and R. When we say the letters of the alphabet, A has the long vowel sound A. You hear this sound in the word plane, but the letter A is also pronounced as the short vowel sound A, as in the word plan. Listen to the sound A on its own. Look at the mouth diagram to see how to make this long vowel sound. Now let us listen to the examples.
A5A.
A, A, A.
A5B.
Meet, mate, met. Come, came, calm. White, wait, wet. Buy, bay, boy.
Now listen to the sound Look at the mouth diagram to see how to make the short vowel sound. Listen and repeat the words.
A6A.
A, A, A.
A6B.
Mud, mad, made. Sing, sang, sung. Pen, pan, pain. Hot, hat, heart.
A6C.
Bank, bag, back. Can, cash, catch. Ham, has, hat. The fat cat sat on the man's black hat.
Well, now important for listening. In most accents, the following words have the vowel R. Ask, dance, castle, bath, fast. But in Southeast England, speakers change the A sound in the words such as these two are. Now, for example, ask, dance, castle, bath, fast. Now, exercise. You should write words for the things in the picture in the correct part of the table. Here are 2 sounds given, A and R. For example, cake. Now this word cake is pronounced as A. Apple, apple. Well, be careful and pay attention to the sounds. Consonant sounds B and P. When you say the alphabet, the letters B and P have the sounds B and P. In words, they have the consonant sounds B and P. Look at the mouth diagram to see how to make these sounds. Now listen to these sounds. Now please listen.
A9A.
B, B, B.
A9B.
B, b, b.
A9C.
Vest, best, vest. Cups, cubs, cups. covered, cupboard, covered.
A9D.
By. Bird. Bread. Rubber. About. Able. Job. Web. Globe. Bernie brought a big breakfast back to bed.
Okay, now let's listen to the sound on its own.
A10A. A10B.
Full. Pull. Full. Cubs. Cups. Cubs. Coffee. Copy. Coffee.
A10C.
Park. Please. Price. Open. Apple. Spring. Tape. Help. Jump. Pat put purple paint in the pool.
Okay, now these sounds b and p notes. B, job, double B, rubber, p, open, double P, apple. B is sometimes silent, for example in the word com, lamb. PH is pronounced as phone. P is sometimes silent, psychology. Now here is given exercise. You have to do this exercise. In one word in each group, the B or P isn't pronounced. Underline the word. For example, double, doubt, Dublin. In doubt, we don't pronounce the letter B. Now be careful while doing this exercise. Now next, consonant sounds S and Z. When you say the alphabet, the letters C and S are pronounced C and S. Notice they both have the consonant sound S, but S is also often pronounced as the consonant sound S. Listen to the sounds. Again, notice that in the sound S, there is no voice from the throat. It sounds like the noise of a snake. In the sound Z, there is voice from the throat. Z. It sounds like the nose of a bee. Now spelling. Frequently, sometimes, and notes. When do we use? S. We use S as set, double S, class, C, place, Z, zero, S, nose. Sometimes signs, the combination of letters S and C, double Z gives us Z, buzz, double S gives us scissors. Notes, X can spell X, mix. S is not always pronounced as S. For example, sugar, rice, plays. X spells X, exact. SE at the end of a word is usually pronounced as Z, rise. Now listen to the target sound in the words below and compare it with the word on each side.
A14A.
S. 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 Z. Z. Z.
A14B.
S, s, s.
A14C.
Zoo, Sue, zoo. Rise, rice, rise. Shave, save, shave. Thing, sing, thing.
A14D.
Sad. City. Science. Scream. Glasses. Concert. Lost. Bus. Place. Class. It's 6 or 7 years since Sydney's sister sang that song.
Okay, pronunciation may be connected to grammar. Use, noun. Use, verb. Close, adjective. Close, verb. House, noun. House, verb. Look at this exercise. You should complete this conversation using words from the box. Then listen and check. The words are eyes, ice, niece, knees. Now you should do this exercise. Today our lesson is over. Goodbye.